Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a tense Senate hearing where judicial nominees were grilled over controversial cases and their past decisions. From a shocking parole involving the kidnapping of 26 children to accusations of ignoring legal precedent, this hearing had it all. Let's break it down in clear, simple terms, and before we get into it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. First up, the Senate pressed a nominee about one of California's most infamous crimes. James Schoenfeld, convicted of kidnapping 26 children and literally burying them alive, was paroled back in 2015 by Governor Jerry Brown. The senator wanted to know, how could anyone justify releasing a man guilty of such a horrific crime? The nominee admitted they worked for Governor Brown at the time, but insisted they didn't advise him directly on parole. Instead, they only provided background information from correctional files. When pressed further, the nominee said they didn't even recall Schoenfeld's case, despite the fact it had received massive publicity across California. This led to a heated exchange, with the senator asking if kidnapping and burying 26 children didn't automatically make someone a risk to society. The nominee's response? They could only comment after reviewing the full file and all the factors considered by the governor. The senator wasn't buying it. He pushed back hard, pointing out how absurd it sounded to hesitate on labeling such a dangerous criminal a community risk. But the nominee held firm, saying the governor's decision-making process had to be viewed in context, with all information at hand. This exchange raised serious questions about accountability and judgment in high-stakes parole decisions. Then the focus shifted to Judge Becerra and his handling of the 2020 case J&DJ Sports Productions v. Virus. In that case, the senator highlighted how a district court reversed part of Becerra's ruling, accusing him of completely ignoring a large collection of cases that contradicted his decision. Becerra pushed back, saying he never ignores precedent. He explained there was actually a split in authority on the issue, and that no appellate or Supreme Court ruling existed at the time. According to him, he carefully considered all sides before issuing his decision. Despite the criticism, Judge Becerra stood by his work. He argued that his opinions are always based on reviewing all applicable authorities, and that reversals happen when courts are divided on complex issues. He stopped short of calling the district judge wrong, but firmly rejected the idea that he had ignored entire lines of precedent. So what we saw in this hearing was two different lines of scrutiny. One, whether a parole decision for a dangerous criminal was defensible, and two, whether a federal judge showed proper respect for precedent in a split legal landscape. These exchanges reveal the tension between senators who want clear answers and nominees who are careful to avoid missteps. It's a stark reminder of how much weight judicial decisions carry, not just in courtrooms, but in public trust. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts on these cases, and of course subscribe for more deep dives into the stories shaping our justice system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.